In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Apps. Over here. When you finished, click on Dual Apps and finally click on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on the now blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to clone one of your recommended apps, click on the chosen one and use gray switcher next to Dual Apps to clone it. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. When it's ready, you can also adjust all of those options under personalization. Just tap on the chosen one and apply whatever you want to in the pop-up. Always ask Dual App or Default App. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!